Okay, so let's quickly review week 9 and then we'll look into week 10. So week 9 we just had a discussion. Those have all been graded. Very good for the most part on there. If you didn't get into the discussion yet or maybe didn't respond or get your initial post in, please try and get that in. We're coming up in the last couple weeks of class, so let's get caught up. And that goes for any week, any work prior to this, any work from week 1 all the way up to now. If you're behind anything, let's start getting that in since we only have a couple weeks left in class. So week 10, we're going to be going over the future of American policing in America and identify some of the forces and technologies that will be shaping that future. So you are going to be reading Chapter 14 from your textbook, Policing in America, Challenges and Best Practices, 9th edition, and you're also going to watch the week 10 lecture. So for our week 10 discussion, you're going to choose 2 of the information technologies discussed in this chapter and discuss the advantages and disadvantages of helping law enforcement, including any moral or ethical considerations. Then provide an example of a scenario situation which you believe would be beneficial to use each of these technologies. So, and please also remember to respond to at least one of their posts as well. So we have our week 10 assignment 4 is due this week. It is the special problems and challenges in the future of policing in America. You will write a 6 to 8 page paper where you're going to do the following: identify and describe the major functions of 3 of the agencies, the Department of Homeland Security, and of the 3 agencies, provide a rationale for which agency you feel has the greatest responsibility as it relates to federal law enforcement. Explain the purpose of the Uniform Crime Reports, the UCR, the National Crime Information Center, NCIC, and then identify and discuss the various weaknesses related to the accuracy of the Uniform Crime Report. Describe the major roles of police executives using the Pittsburgh model of chief executive officers, and of the executive roles described in the model, provide a rationale for which you feel is most important for a chief executive officer's success. You're going to examine 2 legislative enactments that are in place to help combat terrorism. Provide your opinion on the effectiveness of these enactments with regard to combating terrorism. Analyze the problems related to determining the actual numbers of hate crimes and what makes a hate crime different from other crimes. And please remember to use at least 4 good references. Note that Wikipedia and other websites like that are not considered academic resources. So, and also please refer to the assignment instructions for a little bit more detailed information on what's expected of this assignment. Just want you to remember this is the 6 to 8 pages required of the body of your paper. That doesn't include your title page or your reference page. So if you got any questions about this assignment or any classwork this week or previous weeks, feel free to contact me at any time. You can call, email me, or text me. Okay. Good luck to all you in week 10.